are home and we went to FYE and got this MunchPak snacks from around the world delivered to your door. But we got it out the mall at FYE. I believe this is, let's see what it says. Oh, come on, focus. It says it's 10 full-size snacks, 1 unique soda. They also give us a coupon for a future subscription and bonus MunchPak sunglasses or reusable straw included. Okay. So we're going to try this. I believe this is from Japan. I think is what I saw. I'm trying to see if it says. Okay, I knew I saw Japan or somewhere. I guess we'll find out once we open it. All right. We have Adrian with us, aka Papa. We have Miss Ariana. She moved all his hair out the way, aka Mama's Dimples.
No, I never heard that before.
Really? We have Javarian on the floor doing what Javarian does, and of course Trinity sleeping on the sofa. We'll let her be. All right, you guys. Here we go. Okay, guys. Here we go. We're gonna unbox it. Woo! Don't be talking about me. How rude. I know, I heard it. What is it? Somebody heard it.
It's not pointed.
Where's, how do you open this box?
You got it's reached big.
Exactly.
Look.
Oh. Maybe. Okay, first of all, this should be way easier to get into than it is. And
oh wait, it's like this.
How long is it gonna take us? Finally. Oh, wait. Let's get them up, see so they can see how it comes. All right, we got say $10. Yeah, I'm not gonna show that until we use it. There's a code on there, and it has a little spider. Okay.
Sour and spicy.
So we ended up with a straw. Yay.
Mama.
Yes, Javarian.
Chips.
We got
going this
some
first.
chips.
Look like
Did it ever tell us
just Japanese
where?
Doritos.
Oh, it says Japanese where?
I'm just guessing.
I'm assuming
Wait, is it different taste?
the chips that we have. Oh, it says Israel.
Oh, it's all
So
different
this
places.
is an international box.
Mommy.
All right, so we got some. Look at him. Wait, Brian. We got some chips from Israel. Oh my gosh! Please stop. Okay.
No,
and then,
we don't.
You okay?
Eat that first.
All right. Okay. So let's try the chips from Israel. They're called Doritos, sour and spicy flavor. With a smooth, smoky flavor.
Don't do this.
Don't open that yet. Give y'all a close look of it.
What are you doing? I put this in the refrigerator. You should have said something.
Ta-da! Put it in the freezer because it won't take us long. Stop. Javarian. Alright. Smells almost like salt and vinegar.
Mommy.
Yes. Here, you get a small one. It's hot, boo boo. Alright. Eat that one first, Javarian. Ready? Come on, y'all. Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's not bad.
It tastes like the purple one.
It does. It tastes like the purple Doritos. What is it? Sweet and spicy? Maybe with some, maybe a little sour. It ain't bad.
You want more?
It ain't spicy though. Javarian likes it. Yeah. Okay. We'll say
Alright, you
something
got
for
your-
Jarvis. Alright. What next? This one?
Yeah, pillows.
Alright, this one is called Pillows.
Mommy, what color?
Yeah.
What color?
I don't need my glasses for up close, y'all. I
What
can't.
color?
It is crunchy.
So
Crunchy something filled crackers with a sweet yam flavor.
oh no.
Who makes this
What's
stuff?
a oob? UBE.
It's Philippines.
Oh, it's from the Philippines. Okay. There's a close look. I hope it focuses. Is
You
it
see the
focusing?
TV.
Okay.
Should I turn off the TV?
Alright.
Let's see what helps shadow records. Alright, let's get the thing cracking.
Crackers. It look like chocolate crackers. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, focus. Who does this chip here?
Alright. Cause I had
This is kind of hard. Javarian gonna eat all of these. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Here.
Rub the corner. I was struggling.
Alright. Put it down.
It smells
Put it down.
chocolatey.
Put it right there.
Ooh.
Look, go get one of those.
Okay. Oh my God. Is that purple?
It's purple.
It's purple. My
Yeah.
lightning and come on, Pop.
Get one.
Here, you want to try
What is it
one?
supposed to be? You just ate it.
Pillows. It's oob. I don't know what oob is. We should have Googled it first.
Well, we didn't know it was in
Oh
there.
my God. It has sugar rice, palm oil.
Oh, it smells good though.
Okay,
like
y'all
syrup.
ready?
Mommy.
Looking good.
It's purple all the way through.
I like that.
I don't know what that.
I'm confused.
It,
This tastes familiar.
it's like a cream. I don't know, y'all. That's
It's
different.
What's the one
It's
cookie
crunchy
you
like
get?
cereal.
That's what it's reminding.
Okay. It's not bad.
I do a
Divine.
delicious. Divine.
It's not bad at all.
It's good.
And that was from the Philippines. Okay. The next one is called, oh Lord, something kind of energy 99 stick Horo flavor. It's from Taiwan. Please stop. Please stop. It says crunchy rice cake roll with sweet taro. I don't know what taro tastes like. But this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it because they're all there, so it's not really focusing much.
Let me see. It's rice cake roll with.
Yeah, I don't know what taro is.
Just open it.
Come on.
Let's get this over with.
I'm using my phone to film, so I can't Google because I would be Googling all of this. Okay. Oh my gosh. My side is hurting. I'm sitting on this floor. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Somebody went to the bathroom over here. Javarian, back up, boo.
I'm not adding no deal.
Okay.
That other one.
Mommy, mama.
Oh, it's broken. This is
It
what
made
it
me do
looks
that.
like.
Mommy.
Yes. What does it smell like?
How you spell?
Toro.
Mommy.
T-A-R-O. Here, break a piece.
Oh, that's a little crunch there.
Wanna try it?
There's a tropical Asian plant.
And where is this from again? What I say?
Taiwan.
Oh, Taiwan.
Weird. Smells like coffee.
Well, Javarian doesn't care for it.
Mark, you up right there? It smells like coffee.
Yeah, just eat that.
We'll say that for Charlie.
Yeah. I don't care for it. It does taste like a rice cake. Taro flavor. It doesn't have much of a flavor to it, so I don't know what the taro is. Unless it's just not a really
I can't wait to
flavorful. Oh Lord, how you say this? Come on over here, boy.
go get Papa.
Okay. It looked like pretzels with peanut cream. Oh, it's peanut cream filled pretzel sticks. Oh my God, my eyes suck. Roasted and salted pretzel sticks with peanut butter cream filling. Please stop.
That's not good.
From, what does that say? Serbia? Oh, Jesus. From Serbia. That's kind of cool. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Boy, did you? What's wrong?
Trying to find out what's in
Oh, they put it, and they even put the nutritional facts here in English for you because it's not wrote in English on the pack. That's pretty cool.
Hey, we got something to try. Yeah, you gotta come over here.
Come here. Wait, he has company. All right, let's try the peanut butter pretzel stick.
It took us 14 hours to get this.
14 hours?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh. Over there by,
piece.
oh, is that Rome? Can that go down? Oh, move that.
It's
Move that.
like,
Come on, Iron. You want some, Bubba? Yeah.
I know you don't want your own.
Hell, we'll share it. I'm
It's
still-
like a lot.
Okay, it's a pretzel.
See that? Smells like.
And it's got peanut butter in it. Yes,
Oh,
right?
peanut butter.
Oh, it do got a coffee scent to it.
It's not like a hospital.
Hey, you. Sure.
Okay, back up, July. Come on over here. You will need a drink after this.
I don't know.
It's just a pretzel with peanut butter in it.
No, it's like this is too dry. Peanuts. I don't like it. It's alright.
Come here, Javarian. Get over here. Yeah, that's like a.
Never
I need
had
some
that.
water. Next time we will have water or something to drink because this is crazy.
Huh? You eat it.
All right, our next
don't
one
like
is some candy. Did I say where that was from? Yeah, stop it. Okay. It is Finny Roller Blue Raspberry Candy. Extra sour blue raspberry gummy belts from Spain. So in Spain, oh Lord. Oh, come on. Can you hold that up? Javari, go get mommy some water. Water. Right there, baby. Look, on the floor. Water. Get the water. Gabrielle. I don't think it really is. It's just however they want you to
He's
say it.
picking up the whole. Oh.
Okay.
Should I help you?
I know you're going to want some of this.
You can't help him.
Yeah. I was hoping to have my water by now because all I got is this thick peanut butter situation. Here, y'all rip y'all own because it's hard. Thank you, baby. You want some water?
Hey, where's mine?
Mommy.
You already know.
Want some water?
It's not.
Oh, what you mean? This is our hurricane water, y'all.
It's got a bunch more cases. 2, 3. About like 5.
He's so happy. Here we go.
These are 10.
All right, here we go. Of course, y'all beat me eating now.
Because it's candy.
Oh,
I like it.
it's good. Oh, come over here. Yeah, he's trying to go close up. It's so cute. We watch it on YouTube. That's good. That's really good.
No more.
Oh, wow. And where was that candy from? Spain?
Spain.
That's like what we have here. It tastes the same.
Like that.
Okay, this is some kind of chocolate cookie. Crunchy chocolate biscuit with cocoa and chocolate cream filling. Right up her alley.
I want you to try something.
It's from Turkey, and I will not pronounce that because that I cannot. It's from Turkey. If you can see this right, and I'm not even gonna kill the name of it. But it's a chocolate biscuit, they call it.
No more.
All right, Adrian, don't eat it all. Really?
I like this girl.
No.
You like the chicken?
I know he does.
You like most of everything besides.
Come on over here. Come. You got a cookie. Cookie. Y'all see his smile on his face. He's so excited.
I can't eat this yet.
Chocolate cookie
I have things stuck in my teeth.
with chocolate. Everything. I drink some water.
That broke so
Oh, wow.
where you going?
Come on, we gotta do the taste test. Ready? Y'all wanna see a close up? It's chocolate cookie. Javari's gonna do it too. Alright.
It's not good. I don't think I should try
It's
it.
good.
Mommy,
I don't like it.
mommy, 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't like it at all. I tricked you.
Sorry. I don't know. That I don't like that. Ew. That's the only thing I have not.
It's weird.
It don't taste like chocolate that I'm used to. I don't know what kind of chocolate it is.
I kind of like it.
Well, all right. What else do we have?
Volleyball looks fun, but I can't.
Oh Lord, where was this chocolate from again? Turkey. Will not be eating that. Okay. You know, I was thinking, I was like, this is like some kind of chocolate biscuit cookie for dogs or something. Because that is, no, do not eat all the candy. They better not put no dog food in here.
It's weird. I don't know.
All right, this one, oh Jesus, some kind of cookie. Girl,
United Arab Emirates.
this is from the United Brian Arab Emirates. It's some kind of cookie with, I don't know, some jam or jelly or something. Oh, I hope this is showing up. Can y'all see that?
What? What you think? What you want?
Oh,
It's just one.
it's a big old cookie.
No, stop.
I don't know what.
All right, stop.
Oh, it says made with real dates.
I don't want it.
No, we have to try it.
Boy, you started
All
first.
right, dates. Stop, Javarian. Stop it. 2-year-old.
Right.
This is what it looks like. It's made with real dates, it says.
I'm not eating that.
Yes, we're gonna taste it. Oh, it's falling apart.
You have
Just a bite. You gotta
Look, go over
eat
there.
it.
Get some of that. You want some of that? Yeah. Ooh. What's that?
It's dates. Just take a bite.
What's some of this? Ooh. Here you go.
Y'all didn't even. That's disgusting. I know I don't like dates. I don't know what this is.
Eat.
I'm not eating that.
He wasn't even eating.
No, not a fan of the
Oh my god.
cookie cake thing, whatever. Okay, so that's enough. Oh, making a mess on this table. That cookie was so crumbly.
Somebody likes it.
Oh, who? Child.
Leave her alone.
Javarian, get down and leave her alone,
Oh, she
please.
woke now.
Perfect.
I get it.
Ugh. Okay.
I pick it out.
Pick it out. It ain't much to pick out. What is left? How many?
2.
3. Well,
Mama.
we'll say. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
It makes it.
Not sure how I feel about that. Okay.
Ooh, that's
Now it's some more
Oh, 3. You got the drink.
pretzel sticks. Oh, we forgot about drink. Pretzel sticks from Thailand. Vanilla chocolate pretzel sticks. Crunchy vanilla flavored pretzel. Sticks with rich chocolate filling. Oh, I done pushed y'all closer. Can you see that?
Cut me out.
Can you see that? Well, somebody knocked the table down.
Yeah.
I fixed it the best I could.
I didn't do it on purpose. That's like a cigarette box.
You are way too close. Ooh, I don't want to break it. What do you have?
Give me. Pata.
Oh. They come in 2 packs in the box.
That's my knee, bro. Help for the
Ooh.
Oh, the hay.
One, boo boo.
Look, get down.
He don't want it. Don't make him. What he eat now?
The cookie.
All right.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Not bad.
Sit there, tell her.
Chocolate tastes like chocolate. Doesn't taste like a pretzel. You could taste the vanilla on the pretzel or in the pretzel, however they did it.
I like this.
I like this one.
Why?
Vanilla chocolate. That's good. I might stash this one. Come on.
No.
It's more.
But
It's good.
I don't really like it.
It's good. Better than that other one.
Alright, let's get the second to last one done.
Okay.
Apple.
Da 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 da. Okay, this is I Stroop waffles. No, sir. Put it back.
Put it down.
Garrett's Dutch Bakery Stroop waffles. Put it down, Javarian.
Papa.
Tata.
Peach.
Sweet and chewy Stroop. S-T-R-O-O-P. Waffles. Sandwiching sweet caramel filling. Ooh, extra might like this.
What's some of this?
She likes caramel. Ooh, it's
What's some
heavy.
of this?
No. No.
Okay. This is what the package looks like.
What's this?
Am I sideways?
Can't have this yet, okay? Oh no, I'm feeling like this.
Waffles.
That's what a lot of my friends do this guy.
Okay. We'll just break a piece of this.
What is this in here?
Caramel.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna love this. That's it?
I think so. Here. Here. All right.
Okay.
He don't want it, but now he do. I give it to somebody else. Come on, Ari. Ready? Go.
It's weird. That is weird. You don't like it.
Give me that. No.
Alright.
That's a no-go.
No.
Hold on. I can't swallow that.
Oh, coconut. That's what.
Ah! And I like coconut. Where you see coconut?
It's a Tim Tams coconut.
I like coconut, but I don't even taste no coconut. That's disgusting.
It's spicy in here too.
I don't like it. Oh, is that like edible?
Yep.
Okay. The waffles are no.
That's on the shirt, bro.
Now we got, oh mercy. Okay, some kind of darts from Mexico. I'm not gonna, it's watermelon flavored.
Sweet.
Coated. Oh, I've seen these tamarind filled, yes. With sweet, sour, spicy watermelon, salted. Oh Jesus, there's a lot going on. Okay.
I gotta get my taste buds right.
Let me drink some water.
Gotta make sure you know. Who drank this water? Okay. You backwash?
Yeah, it looks like from Mexico. And I've seen these little tamarind, whatever them things is, in the store. And people say they're good for you.
Mommy, with that.
I can't get past
Mommy.
the look of
It's
it.
chocolate.
Eat it. You want to eat it? I can't get past the look. The look turns me off, and it's like, I'm not eating that. This is what they look like. Little green balls.
I think I like this.
Here.
Very mushy. It's mushy. Give it to him, mama. Yeah, he about that. Oh,
He's still here right
and
now.
then, oh.
All right.
3, 2, 1, boom.
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, I just said that.
I would have listened.
Nope.
The outside is good.
It started off okay. Nope.
Oh, spicy watermelon.
Nope. I tried. He done spit it out too. That's a no for me and Javarian.
It tastes like the smell of the squash.
The outside is like the watermelon, is it? That's not bad, but when you get in the, I guess that's that tamarind. That must be an acquired taste that I do not possess because that's a no.
I like this. The spice could have came earlier.
I didn't even get
spice
to the
is good.
spice. 'Cause
It tastes good.
no, Javarian.
No, put it down.
Put down.
No, you don't like it.
No, you no.
Pop.
All right, Pop, gotta go get the drink. Oh, here.
Pop.
What should I do with this?
Apple.
Let me see. Put them, throw them here. Put that back. And we'll save the rest of this for Aisha. Taraji has to try some. Jarvis. Because that was a nice trial. Those chips weren't bad.
You just have to start getting repeat.
A repeat? What do you mean? Oh. Alright, and our last thing, Javarian. Okay, it's called, Melon. It's, no. Snoopy edition melon soda, crisp and refreshing melon cream soda. I like cream soda. This is from South Korea. It's a carbonated. No, you so hard headed. I said no. You dropping it.
Ryan, sit down.
Come on.
Okay. As I'm trying to do this, y'all, I apologize. All right.
Put down.
No caffeine.
Oh, man.
I don't think I'm gonna like this.
No preservatives.
Oh,
No corn syrup. Made in Korea. Yep, South Korea. So there we go.
What it look
I ain't taking no risks.
Risky. All right. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh.
Oh my lord.
You sure that's clean?
like?
Okay, that's what it looks like. Lemon juice to me.
I regret looking at the color. Can I have the can? Y'all just drink out of there?
I want to taste it.
Can I have the can?
Trinity gonna take it. All right, I'm gonna taste it.
Why you want some?
It don't taste bad.
Let me see.
Want to try some?
I don't know what it tastes
It's like
like.
banana.
You taste a banana?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
He did his face.
I don't know how to describe this. It's not very.
It's getting bad.
It says it's carbonated, but it's
You said I
not
gotta
a
say
strong
something for Jarvis?
carbonated. It has powdered skim milk in it. I do taste like a milk in it. Melon, not tasting melon. Well, I guess, but I didn't know we were talking about actual milk.
I
Yeah,
don't like it.
it's different.
I tried to give it a second.
Can I have the rest of this? I got a shit.
No, at least let Jarvis taste it.
This looks fun.
It has milk in it. That's probably for the color why it looks like that. Kind of powdered milk. But yeah, y'all, that was a snack, a MunchPak that we got from FYE in the store, in the mall. I thought it was a Japan, but it is an international snack pack. Yeah, they were. So, I don't know. We didn't get the Japanese one, but we got international. And I thought that was pretty fun. Y'all like that?
Why you actually not
So,
doing it for?
we're gonna go. We hope you had enjoyed this or whatever. But we're gonna end it right there. Good night, y'all. Say bye. Oh yeah, you guys. Before we go, I want y'all to check out my girl, KJ The Mitch. If you want to see other fun and exciting videos, I will link her page in the description. All right, y'all. Have a good night.